Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how you can change the voice language for your voice chats on Microsoft Copilot in 2026. So let us guide you through this. So guys, as you can see, I'm inside that conversation history here, and this is the transcript of a voice chat I had with Copilot. You can initiate these by clicking into this microphone button in the bottom right corner of the text field here to initiate a voice chat. Make sure that your microphone is attached, that you have also given Microsoft Copilot the permission to access your microphone. You get asked that every time you initiate a voice chat the first time on a given browser. And after that, you will be given access to that transcript of the voice chat. So now if you'd like to change the language of the voice in your voice chats, you will need to access your account settings. To do that, click into your profile icon at the bottom left. Make sure that you're logged in, of course. Navigate to settings here. And next, what you want to do is navigate to preferences on the left hand side and click into the drop down menu next to voice language. And you may, for example, choose auto detect if you want the artificial intelligence to reply to you in voice in the given language you contacted it or you speak, or you may go, for example, with one of the languages supported in that list, like Turkish or Tamil or Urdu, Portuguese, Malay, Dutch, Polish, Punjabi, and so on and so forth, to listen to these voice responses, replies in the given language. That's it, guys. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.